Time to move on, pack your case and go along. Take some money out of the bank. Off you go, board that train. Off you go, make a better life. Manchester, Birmingham, London too. I tried them all. Yes, I did. It didn't do me no good. It was bad in a different kind of way. Nobody wanted to know me at all. I couldn't find no kind of work. I couldn't find nothing in the way of work. Oh no, 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 I couldn't find no work. No, 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 no. Knocking on doors. Where else could I go? Oh, one disaster to another. Down to the door. Run out of money. Down to the door. Said it might take you years. I said I got no money now. Said take out a loan, your back might help. Take out a loan, your back might help. Oh yeah. Promised land is nothing at all. Nothing at all. No promises kept. I saw it on the post when I come to London. Make a better world. Oh no, no, no. Want a big life. Wasn't long. I was sleeping on the street. The other day, girls said one of them died that night. That one I didn't speak to at all. Most of them I did looking for information in hand. They said, try Salvation Army. They said you gotta try. You need £80 note for a deposit for a home.